Good evening, everybody. So, today is the World Music Day, International Music Day. So, we must celebrate that, correct? So, on the occasion of this day, I'm going to share you my views and experiences regarding music. So, the title of today's topic is Role of Creativity in Positive Thinking and Experience of Pursuing Hobby. The COVID 19 pandemic is an unexpected and once in a lifetime event resulting in potentially severe consequences worldwide. Its scope and impact is even more devastating than World War I and World War II. So this subsequent resulting trauma to the society is unimaginable, and there is a need to find ways to cope with this post-traumatic stress that may continue on years to come. So as a human, we notice, process and react to negatives. This impacts our mood. Therefore, we have to mindfully alter the proportion of the various emotions being felt and the overall disposition that it results in. We must strive to overwhelm the negative with the positive, but how to go ahead? See, we are all bound with the friends and enemies, correct? So, either friends, either enemies, we are getting involved with them more. So, we are not finding time for ourselves also many times. So, now right now we are in the tensions of everybody, isn't it? But see how by taking tensions nothing is going to come out. So there is Sri Ravi Shankar ji's one thought is there that put your friends and enemies in one basket and relax. Be content and happy with the yourself. See, we are means if you see yourself is not don't consider selfishness. It is a self means you are realizing your soul at soul level, correct? So you have to understand that, and when you know that the spirituality, you will be able to understand your relations with everyone, and how to cope up. Now see, by taking so much tension, nothing is going to come out. So you have to be balanced much. No, how should we measure the success? Gross domestic product versus gross domestic happiness. Only the economical progress is not going to help. See now the countries of in global the concept is going to be going change now. It is the countries are should be happy, the people should be happy. So gross domestic happiness is has a prime importance, and that's why we have to see a recent report of the Indian happiness analysis shown that Mizoram is the state of India which is the happiest state. And India, if you say comparison with other countries, recent report says India ranks 139th place in World Happiness Report. So Finland is the toppest list, being the world happiest country. Why Finns are so happy? And if you see Nagaland, Nagaland holds the record of the world's largest electric guitar assemble. So northeast state of India is a musical region. Right now I am working in northeast region, and I am very happy to be this in this musical region with every person being into music. And in January 13, Nagaland has made its record in Guinness Book of World with 368 participants at the Agri Expo ground, stummed to the tunes of AC/DC's song Knocking on Heaven Door. So what is important is let us vibrate high. This information is compiled and edited by naturopathist Dr. Harshal Sancheti, Nashik. But the original source of this information is from book Power versus Force, based on David R. Hawkins' doctoral thesis. What is the gist coming out of it is that the COVID virus has a vibration of 5.5 Hz and dies above 25.5 Hz. For humans with a higher vibration, infection is minor irritant that is soon eliminated. The reason for having low vibrations could be fear, phobia, suspicion, anxiety, stress, tension, jealousy, anger, rage, hate, greed, attachment, or pains, and so. We have to understand to vibrate higher so that the lower frequency doesn't weaken our immune system. The frequency of the earth today is 27.4 hertz, but there are places that vibrate very low, like hospitals, assistance centers, jails, underground, etc. It is where the vibration drops to 20 hertz or less. For human with low vibration, the virus becomes dangerous. Pain, you find that zero point 0.1 to 2 hertz vibrations if you have pains. Then if you are having fear, zero point 0.2 to 2.2 hertz. Irritation if you have zero point 0.9 to 6.8 hertz vibrations goes. Noise, in noise you find zero point 0.6 to 2.2 hertz. Pride 0.8 hertz. Superiority complex if you have 1.9 hertz. A higher vibration, on the other hand, is the outcome of the following behavior. So, if you have a generosity, your mind, your nature is generous, then 95 hertz you are vibrating. Gratitude, if you have 150 hertz. Compassionate nature, you have 150 hertz or more vibrations you are producing. The frequency of love and compassion for all living being, loving every living being, then your vibration goes up to 150 hertz and more. Unconditional and universal love, if you are able to have it, and then the vibration goes more than 205 hertz. Come on, vibrate higher. What helps us vibrate high? Loving, smiling, blessing, thanking, playing, painting, singing, dancing, yoga, tai chi, meditating, walking in the sun, exercising, enjoying nature, etc. Foods that the earth gives, like seeds, grains, cereals, legumes, fruits, and vegetables, drinking water, helps us vibrate higher. The vibration of prayer alone goes from 120 to 350 hertz or so. So, sing, laugh, love, meditate, play, give thanks, and live. This is what expected. And when you see the different hobbies, or those hobbies becomes meditation. Okay, so forms of meditation are music, snuggling a pet, daydreaming, stretching, sitting outside, taking a walk, do something you love, get a massage, cleaning, bubble bath, organizing, journaling. So different activities getting involved and forgetting all your unwanted worries of past and future, correct? So being in present and involving in these activities is nothing but the meditation. So there are 7 health benefits of music. Today is the World Music Day or International Music Day. So we must know the benefits of music. Improves visual and verbal skills, keep an aging brain healthy, make you happier, improves heart health, improves sleep quality, boost your immunity, reduce depression and anxiety. So music is a treat. We can play, improvise, compose, read and motivate, listen, evaluate, connect, make connections, understand music and as it relates to history, and we can sing alone and with others many of different kinds of songs, and I like that. You know, the music therapy is another concept. Emotional response to music, both positive and negative, affects a large enough portion of the population that it might be harnessed as a public health intervention. As studies show, when music stimulates the brain, the body responds to. It can help reduce pain, depression, anxiety, improve cardiovascular health, support sleep, stabilize balance and gait, help hormones and immunity, relieve from post-traumatic stress disorder (PTSD), and improve self-esteem. Athletes may also benefit too, as can hospitalized patients and those having surgery or other therapies. Singing also good for you. So what it gives you? Relaxation, health and fitness, emotional benefits, community, educational benefits, social support, friendships, self-awareness, self-perception, purpose and empowerment. You find children also sing like singing, no? So they are also getting benefit, creativity, reading, confidence, memory, listening skills, self-esteem, speech and language, phonics and awareness, retention, pitch, rhythm, pulse, rhythming. So all these benefits there. You know that choir singing in Nagaland, so many churches are there, and in throughout Northeast you find this choir singing is very popular. And this choir singing may boost immunity in cancer patients. Choir singing, or you can say the group singing. Singing benefits, since I have so much connection with the scientific community because I am a professor and research worker, scientist. So, uh, so I like to know the scientific base of singing benefits, and that I am going to share you here. Singing benefits you to getting us through the tough times. Music and singing have evidence-based benefits in improving our health, both physically and emotionally, and also getting us through tough times. It relieves stress. How? It reduces the stress hormone cortisol and improves immunity. People feel more relaxed after they are belted out of a tune. Modulates it, singing modulates our happy hormone serotonin, leading to happiness and satisfaction. Then singing develops a sense of belonging and connections by modulating our love hormone oxytocin. When you sing together with others, you are likely to feel the same kind of bonding that players on sports game team experience a higher sense of well-being and meaningful connection than people who sang solo. One of the neurochemicals released when people feel bonded together is oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. Children in a singing and musical engagement program develop a strong sense of community and social. Singing increases pain tolerance also. Playing or listening to good music can stimulate the mind and body, producing feel good chemicals including dopamine, endorphins, and endocannabinoids. Endorphins are the body's natural painkillers and are released during singing, and you feel really good. Singing, drumming, dancing in a group triggers the release of this hormone in ways that just listening to music doesn't. Singing improves your emotional positivity, especially when we sing with karaoke track. All my friends, lot of friends I have in singing field, and they like to a very easy way to practice daily with the karaoke track, because live music is not available every time. So especially when we sing with karaoke track or the track which is playing automatically, connecting your thoughts in the past. When you when you sing, you have some past thought about particular song and memories that you have when the song was being heard or played in the past. If it is a good memory, automatically your positivity changes, and we need to improve this positivity in present time a lot. Then singing stimulates the immune response. When we sing or listen to the music, secretory immunoglobulin IgA, which is present in secretions, is exceptionally increased in its levels. This improves the resistance and immunity of all the cells which are in your respiratory tract, which is very important. Listening to music without singing alone reduces the stress hormone but didn't stimulate the body's immune system. So instead of listening, singing will be better. Then singing improves your ciliary function. When you sing, you are expanding your lungs. The bronchus in the lungs are lined with the hair-like projections called cilia that moves microbes and debris up and out of the airways. Due to pollution, ciliary function gets weakened. Singing loudly improves the ciliary function and ultimately improves the immunity. Singing improves lung function. Because singing involves deep breathing and the controlled use of muscles in the respiratory system, it may be beneficial for certain lung and breathing conditions. Studies have shown that the breathing techniques used with singing may offer benefits for the people with the following conditions. Which are those conditions? Chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, COPD, asthma, cystic fibrosis, cancer, multiple sclerosis, quadriplegia. While singing doesn't treat to cure any of these conditions, you may benefit from gaining strength in your respiratory muscles. Singing also increases the amount of oxygen in your blood. Research shows, in addition to the pulmonary benefits, singers also experience improved mood and a greater sense of social connection. Singing enhances memory in people with dementia. Example, Alzheimer's disease. Singing helps with grief. Singing in a group doesn't just help you with physical pain. It may also help with the emotional pain you feel after you have lost someone you love. So you have that benefit also. Then singing improves mental health and mood. It may improve snoring also. Helps improve speaking abilities. Benefits of singing proved among people who have a hard time with speech due to neurological conditions. Then, so this is all about the benefit of singing. Another thing, through singing we are listening some lyrics, isn't it? So when we sing a song or listen a song, we have an impact of that lyrics also. So influence of motivational lyrics in building positivity, and that lyrics can bring the positivity if it is good lyrics. So music has long been an effective way to communicate to the masses, and lyrics have played a massive role in delivering this communication. There is a potential application of lyrics in increasing various aspects of well-being. Lyrics have the potential to increase positive emotions. It is suggested that you can increase well-being by mindfully listening to meaning-filled lyrics supported by music's ability to influence emotion. Considering music's accessibility and communality, the relationship between lyrics and positive psychology has the potential for a broad impact that can contribute to the people use music to better their emotional states. There are so many songs that brings hope, joy, inspiration, pride, etc. Yet not all lyrics lead to positive emotions. Some have more to do with meaning. When individuals understand where they find meaning in their own lives, they understand a little more about themselves. This self-understanding is important for many reasons. It may provide clarity into who we are and how we make decisions. The more meaning you have in your life, the higher is your well-being. In a study of 143 college undergraduates, spiritual meaning has also been researched as a buffer against stress and found to act as a buffer against stressful situations. So students get benefit of these lyrics. It is proved. However, bad lyrics have negative impact. We see so many songs really they don't give you the good message, which show an increase of lyrics with an emphasis on sex, drugs, and violence. When witnessing these behaviors in music and music videos, it is hard to disagree that these messages might have a negative impact. I am more concerned with the Hindi Bollywood songs creating positivity. I like that. And few songs I can just mention here. जीना इसी का नाम है, किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. देन मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. देन ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में कोई जाने ना. देन हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, यू नो ऑल दैट. जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे, खुशी मिले या गम, है ना. हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो. सो बी इन मोमेंट, प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. आगे भी जाने ना तू, पीछे भी जाने ना तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है. So don't go don't bother about future, don't go behind past problems, pains. Just be in the present moment. चल अकेला. So चल अकेला, चल अकेला, चल अकेला, तेरा मेला पीछे छूटा राही चल अकेला. हजारों मील लंबे रास्ते तुझको बुलाते, यहाँ दुखड़े सहने के वास्ते तुझको बुलाते. है कौन सा जो है कौन सा जो जिसने यहाँ पे दुख ना झेला. सो इट इज ऑल गिव यू द इंस्पिरेशंस and positivity. So just don't bother about what are happening in your life. Just go ahead, go ahead. That's all. Whole this nature is going to love you. No, the you have the floor to. This earth is giving you big floor to sleep, and the sky is giving a blanket to for you. So why you worry? Whole air is free of cost and water is free of cost. Nature is providing without bothering how the world is treating you, isn't it? So giving that positivity, that's, see, ultimately the God through nature's resources taking care of you. जिंदगी कैसी है पहेली, कभी ये हंसाए कभी ये रुलाए, कहीं देखो मन नहीं जागे पीछे पीछे सपनों के भागे. एक दिन सपनों का राही चला यूं चला जाए, अकेले कहाँ अकेला कहाँ, है ना. कितना अच्छा है. मौत तो एक पल. There are some just I have mentioned Anand movie. One has to listen that. See, watch that movie. Most of you have know that movie. That so मौत तो एक पल है बाबू मोशाय, जिंदगी और मौत ऊपर वाले के हाथ है जहाँ पना, इसे ना आप बदल सकते हैं ना हम सब रंगमंच की कठपुतलियाँ हैं, जिसकी डोर ऊपर वालों के बंदे हाथों में बंदी है. कौन कैसे निकलेगा कोई नहीं बता सकता, है ना. सो मौत एक पल है. यू जस्ट, मगर ये आने वाले लाखों पल हमारे पास है, उसका क्या. मौत तो एक पल है. व्हाई यू बॉदर अबाउट दैट डेथ, isn't it? It is one month, one moment. It is we are going leaving our body, but we have so many moments in front of us. Why to just bother? So so such kind of positivity is created through Bollywood songs. So I'm really very much fond of this good movies and good songs, and music. Without that I cannot live. Throughout, when I went to Canada, I went to other countries. Without this Switzerland and France and Ethiopia, wherever I went, without our Hindi Bollywood good songs and music, I was feeling homesick, isn't it? So I used to carry all this. So my personal experiences about benefits of singing. See, I was very busy. Actually, I was more academic person. I am also right now also, but earlier I was completely busy with my job. Establish a laboratory and then maintaining and managing. It was a big challenge for me, and I was busy completely. Right now, morning to evening, my phone is to non-stop going on. So while working also, I had to take calls. And I got credit also, appreciation also. This our Indian authorities of our agriculture, ICAR, Indian Agriculture, ICR High Power Committee, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. They have come to our lab, which I have established with my team, and it was helping to prevent losses, huge losses to the dairy sector. No, so it was appreciated by them, also by Oklahoma State University scientists also. The administrators, they came, but thing is to mention here that I got very much busy. So many students and staff with my team, actually it was when I left, while at that time of my send off, I left my job. No, I got voluntarily retired myself to handing over of all the next. I made this second line ready for maintaining that new advances which I had developed with them, for them, and the students and PhD students, master students, my staff, all were with me at that time while I was living that. Uh, but actually, the life is life has to go on. So life is small, and you have to manage all your inner calls in this life balancefully. And so I try to use my life for singing and spirituality, because as I left the job at the age of 56 as a voluntary retirement. So we cannot guarantee that we are not staying here up to 100 years. We have to manage our life properly as per our requirement, our interest. We can, so that we can contribute to the society. So considering that, and I have given my responsibilities to the next line which I have prepared while leaving the Bombay Veterinary College, where I was a professor and head. Then I made a social connectivity through YouTube and Facebook, hmm, through communicate to the society by the way of musical as well as spiritual connections and sharing of thoughts with the friends. So I used to, when I was working in the laboratory in the college life, I was getting busy. But I used to manage by changing my evenings or weekends with the in the with the singers, and then in Bombay, and so I used to go in for the rehearsals, and then shows in clubs and in stages of Bombay. So I used to sing in patriotic events also. So by doing this kind of hobby involvement, and particularly singing in music, gives you so much positivity, so much association and connection with the social connection you get, and your positivity increases, and you can manage your work also. So I have created some audio CDs as per my friends' request. So I shared with all my relatives and friends. It is the personal circulations at that time. Even I was blessed by Devanandji when I presented that audio CD to him, and he has given me a lot of blessing for singing. And this I since I involved myself in singing, stage singing. So that is the very I used to enjoy the being on stage. Then I have attempted singing devotional songs in ISKCON Janmashtami festival. There I, since the moment of the participation, I have been invited in the Bikaner for singing, and so we all a group of singers. We have so involvement with the singing also gives the meditation, and when you get the people's response, so every time wherever I went, so I got people audience response, and that gives you so much energy, so much satisfaction we cannot express. So then I got felicited also. Created so through singing, then I have created a groups of singers by making a club, musical club at karaoke singing. So and then we name it as Swaranjali Music Club, and we were started organizing the online shows since 2018 actually. So these are different shows we have organized with the singers. This was the club, and with we are inviting the musicians and singers, and we're enjoying like see the group of singer. So very happy. All sing these who are interested in singing. Everybody is profession. They have different professions, isn't it? Engineers or no estate. Sorry, this real estate. It's builders, isn't it? Builders. Then more event managers, and so many dignitaries were there, and they were involved in the singing, and they are happy with the singing. So it's singing is an amazing kind of. So after so when you go on stage and you have a singers group, so they are very happy to be together. This is our group, musical group, karaoke singing, and also we used to on, all are professionals here. Some are scientists, some are police people, some are gym persons, software engineers, and PSI. So these are all the people involved. Scientists, and madam is scientist. So such group together when join and sings, so they make a different vibrations, and those vibrations definitely enrich your positivity. See happy faces after singing. All are professionals. I'm very happy to mention here that Kaushik Kotari is a very well-known showman of the Bombay, and he has, and I'm associated with him group. We call it Tarana group, and we used to enjoy every week on together singing and all. So that's what very nice memories with us. After singing program, stage program, see the happy faces of all these professionals, singers, as well as they are from different professions. Everybody is well settled in the job and their business or whatever in their life, but they enjoy singing like anything. We had a Bangalore musical tour with the Kaushik Kotari sir, and these are all professional singers. So their Bangalore musical tour with singers group enjoyed the. In a singing show, we are enjoying like and the positive vibration. I had been accepted. I have accepted now in the Nagaland the job of professor in the Central Agriculture University, Imphal. So there I'm. After coming here, also I could get the invitation for singing performance. And this is in Nagaland, Saint Xavier College. Then people are so loving music here. So this was something I think high up in Adila where I was singing, and people were dancing like anything in the song. No? So there is no we can't express the joy we get through this stage program. See the students singing with our students. So this group singing is very joy, and it was a patriotic. Then I have organized the online show in lockdown period because it's difficult to go on stages right now also. So then the singer from Nagaland, singer from Mumbai, we all made a successful show, online show. So these are the shows singing in the nature. Then we have celebrated Republic Day 2021 in this year in Nagaland with faculty of our college students and not student because they were on because of online, we are conducting online classes for them because of this COVID problem. So only we had a faculty and we had a group patriotic singing. So with social distancing, we have celebrated the Republic. So blessing. So I'm very lucky that in Nagaland there is a Hornbill Festival, and in Hornbill Festival I was invited in Hotel Vivar for singing in the evenings, and there I could be able to meet and blessed by A.R. Rahman ji, who has been invited as a chief guest for this Hornbill Festival at Kohima. So almost all, see, when I found in this singing field, almost all professionals, you cannot say leave any, every professional like to spend their valuable time in singing and get relieved from the routine stress. I can quote one statement of Albert Einstein. If I were not a physicist, I would probably be a musician. I often think in music. I live my daydreams in music. I see my life in terms of music. Try to imagine a world with no music, no first dances at weddings, no stereo or iPod to accompany your commute to work, no music partnering the movie, no stadium concerts or coffee shops music, and definitely no singing. If it seems impossible to imagine, that is because we have never in the documented history of humanity been without music. So this is what is the fact. So professionals from every class of the society I saw, like businessmen, scientists, medicals, lawyers, teachers, police, enjoy spending their valuable times in singing and get. Yes. So let us sing and overcome COVID pandemic stress. Singing in the shower can help boost your immunity, lower blood pressure, reduces stress, and improve your mood. So there is no need that you should be very professional always. So even bathroom singers, people say I am a bathroom singer. So no worry, even bathroom singers are also getting the benefit. So singing gives you how many benefits of the, we are with the COVID, we are concerned with the respiratory, strengthening our respiratory system, and singing has connection with the respiratory system. So you can very well, if you love music, if you love singing, very well you can sing, and don't bother about, you try, definitely you should try to sing better way, but don't bother that how much you are means don't bother about your proficiency in that, because you must go on improving, but everyone has a limitations, so don't bother about that limitation, but go on singing and enjoy your life. So while ending, I would like to mention one song, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. That is what a song which is so much motivating. It gives you when you sing, definitely it gives you the singing benefit. But when you listen that meaning of that song, it gives you so much of motivation and inspiration to live your life. What the first line says, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, means I moved on, keeping abreast with the life. Every problem I blew away with the rings of smoke. बर्बादियों का शौक मनाना फिजूल था, बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. Mourning the failures was a waste of time. So I moved on, celebrating my failures. I moved on, celebrating my failures. Every problem I blew away with rings of smoke. जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, जो खो गया मैं उसको भुलाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. What I received, I believed it was my destiny. What I lost, I kept trying to forget it. Every problem I blew away with ring of smoke. That is the meaning. Then last line says, गम और खुशी में फर्क न महसूस हो जहां मैं दिल को उस मुकाम पे लाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. Where there is no difference between happiness and sorrow, I moved on, trying to bring my heart into the state. Every problem I blew away with rings of smoke. So, thanks. While ending, I can say that sing like no one's listening, love like you are never been hurt, dance like nobody's watching, and live like a heaven on live live like it's heaven on earth. So you create your heaven by singing, so and by music. So I end here my talk. So I hope you might have liked whatever message I gave you and my opinions through this talk. Thank you very much.